JL here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a real account on your MetaTrader 5. So to do this is really simple. Have the MetaTrader app ready right here. And once you download it, firstly new it right here, you will be shown this type of interface. So basically, you will have to open a demo account first before you can do anything else. So once you have the demo account, this is how it look like. So I want you to do is go to your settings to open this real account and just go new account right here. Actually, not new account. Just actually, you'll have to go here to your chats and messages. I apologize. So here, we want to go to register right here and it'll redirect you to a new page. So here you can continue with your Apple ID or register with your Google account and you will be able to open a real account on MetaTrader 5. So there you go guys, that is how you create and use your MetaTrader 5. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.